Hello everyone, this is the fourth video on this video series on how to design a hair spa or hair salon website with WordPress and free Elementor plugin, free page builder. Okay, in our previous video we have designed our first section, and now let's start design our about us section. For the about us section, let's insert a 3-column section like this, and column gap, no gap. Okay, and let's search a spa website, spa image from pixels, a portrait image. Anyway, use any image. Let's use this one for me, a small one, small size. Okay, and let's use this one in the middle column. Draw it, insert the image like this, and full. For the background image, base image, let's sense it. This is default green WordPress 2021 theme color. Let's sense it to white. Okay, and here in this column, let's add some paddings about 40 pixel. Then let's add our title. And here in the section setting, vertical alignment bottom. Okay, and then borders, a divider, %, color for this, let's pick this color. Okay, here. Yep. Okay, and some few descriptions. Like this. Borders, and more text here. Let's also add some few paddings, about 40 pixel. And then for this, more contents for this one. Sorry, Control C and more contents. I'm sorry. This image is little small, I guess. Here white left to 30%, and here for Okay, like this, something like this. And same here for this one too, 30%. Okay, for this text, let's reduce some. Okay. Let's align the text in the center, middle, like this. It's better. About us. Now the another 3 column, and duplicate this section, and let's add some background color like this. And delete this one. Okay, change this to white and white color, and change the text about us to services. Okay, so far so good. Okay, let's delete this widget too, and then the icon box, China content box. Okay, that's fine. Here let's add with icon was these services. Color, so here coloring, and text color from the clipboard, change color from blue to our pink color. Okay, and duplicate this one, duplicate this. Okay, for the size, it should be 30, and it should be 35, and same here should be 35. Okay, let's add some here. Default, give the column gap default like this, so there should be some gap here in these columns. Okay, that's fine. Now here coloring, hair cutting, there is the link anyway. Yeah, like this, and copy. Sorry, here. Okay, duplicate it. Fine. Here, same here. Sorry, so let's delete this one and duplicate this column like this. Okay, same content. You can change the content here, you can change the icon, you can change the title, description, and here that is our services section. About us, yeah. Keep the image to the right side. About us. Okay. Anyway, we have designed our about us and services section, and then let's design the contact us section. Or we can keep this section as a part of the footer. Okay, so let's keep behind. So that's it for the home page. Yeah, we have mentioned about us and the services, and let's give this about us section a title, section ID. So about, and then if update, and someone click on this learn more, you will navigate to this services. Okay, then it should give ID, section ID to here, service. Okay, update it. Now let's preview our home page. Okay, this image is little young, not suitable for this page, and I cannot find any suitable image. Yeah, this is nice. This dark theme image is nice. So yep, let's add some in the section setting, edit section. Let's add some color, overlay color, gradient, black, transparent, opacity, angle. Okay, like this. Opacity. Yep. Now we have also have our dark color background image here. It's little better. You can adjust the angle and like this. Okay, that's it. Update it. Yep, this is better. And this about us section and services section. And here we will design the footer, and we will add this contact us widgets, contact us infos on the add the footer. If I click on learn more, it will navigate to services. Okay, that's fine. That's it for today. Starting from the next video, let's design about us, services and contact us pages. Yeah, it is not complicated. We just yeah, this is more of layout design, where to put, what to put. Simple video. Have a nice day.